So another one of our MMA products is the Centrecoat Fastpatch. This is a very versatile product. It can go onto concrete slabs, parking bays, and has many other applications. So let's have a look at how we prepare and apply the product. Centrecoat Fastpatch is a two-part epoxy repair mortar supplied in a single container. Inside you will find a black hardener within a bottle and a grey fine aggregate resin coated base. This helps provide a visual indication for when the components are fully mixed and ready to use. The main difference between Centrecoat Fastpatch and the Centrecoat MMA repair mortar is the curing time. Compared to the MMA repair mortar, this product is slower curing. It will require being left overnight to be traffic ready. However, the Centrecoat Fastpatch is a more user-friendly product for end users or contractors not familiar with repairing concrete, as it allows a working time of approximately 40 minutes. However, if curing overnight is too long for your project, have a look on our website at the Centrecoat MMA Repair Mortar. Centrecoat Fastpatch is easy to use, has no smell and is self-priming. If you apply on damp concrete you risk poor adhesion, but the product will still cure. Make sure you remove all loose sediment from the concrete. Apply the product using a trowel to create a smooth finish and simply leave overnight to cure.